Hello everyone, it's Leandra here from Tynker. This week our team has chosen a special selection of community highlights, starting with Galaxy by Limited Spot. In their code we see point towards blocks and repeat blocks. Try to survive the invaders. Our next project is Apple Game 1 by Humongous Chihuahua. In their code we see if touching blocks and forever blocks. Try to grab as many apples as you can without getting hurt. This next project is Battleship by Zuba. In their code, we see a lot of if key pressed blocks and forever blocks. Try to survive the enemy battleship. Our final project is Stopwatch. In their JavaScript code, we see a lot of if statements. This is a great hand-coded stopwatch. Thank you for watching, and sign into Tynker.com to create your very own free projects.